Hey guys, how you doing? It's September 17th, 2018. Just gonna do a quick little video. Bad news about Baby the dog. I did post something on Facebook on Sunday, and what happened on Sunday morning was I woke up in the morning and Baby the dog. She's a rescue dog. She's been with me for a couple of years. She was probably about 10 now. I rescued her, and I felt I gave her a good life, but she was like gasping for breath when she woke up. And she has done that in the past and had little seizures and got over it, but this thing seemed to carry on for a while. So Sunday morning, early in the morning, there's no vets open. So I kind of looked up online, emergency vet, and there was one in my area, and I called them. They said they would take her. So I said I'm gonna pack her up and take her in there, and she was gasping for breath, and I put her in my truck and on my way to the veterinarian there, and halfway there she died in my truck, man. I mean, it was a pitiful situation for me because she's been with me for a couple of years, and I cried like a flipping baby. Pulled over, got out on the side of the truck, tried to revive her. Tongue's hanging out, and she was just done. And tried to pump her chest, give her compressions and stuff, and it was just started just flipping, crying like a flipping baby. I mean, unbelievable. So anyway, Baby the dog passed. A couple of people had commented she probably had congestive heart failure. I don't know, but she couldn't breathe. I mean, she was just gasping for breath. And what can you do? The flipping dog's in your house gasping for breath. What do you do about it? I mean, it's all, I didn't know what to do. So I, looked around for all the vets are closed Sunday morning. And there was one a couple of towns over. I was heading that way. And she didn't even make it. Poor thing. But anyway, yeah, so she's not going to be in my videos no more. What can I do? I mean, I cried like for 2 hours straight, like a flipping baby. I kind of like she was kind of like part of my life, It was, and that's why I'm doing this video, because a lot of people that watch the videos seen Baby the dog on the videos, but she passed. I mean, I don't know what happened to her. Something with her heart or her lungs or something. She was just done deal. Even if I would have made it to the vet, I don't think she would have made it. But anyway, I'm in the process of looking for a new dog. I kind of like to have a dog around. I mean, she was a big part of my life, so I'm looking around for another Chihuahua mix type of dog, same type of, more or less what Baby was, and nobody can replace her, but there's going to be a new dog in the videos coming, hopefully soon. We'll see. I'm going to try to rescue another dog and, give her life for 3-4 years, whatever I can. Or I'm trying to look for a dog maybe a year old or something so I can have a longer run span. She was 7 when I got her. I had her a couple of years, so she was 9 or 10. And whatever happened, God took her. So I just want to do this quick little video and let you know that she's not going to be she might be in a couple of more videos, because usually I got, 5, 6, 10 videos loaded, ahead of time. I probably got 3 or 4 loaded, so you might see her in those videos, but she's no longer with me. So I did post this on Facebook. I got like, 275 hits on it. So a lot of the people that follow me as Facebook, and so if you see comments about Baby the dog, that's why. So I just wanted to do this video. I'll post it, and just so you guys know, she passed, guy. I mean, I was shocked. I cried for 2 hours straight. All right, have a good night.